we have? The back door, a little bit of mold grime on it. The back porch steps, mold grime on it. We're going to check this product out. These fiberglass steps and this door, some of our vinyl siding. See how different it is before. We've got 3 different products. We've got manual pump spray, and we got a manual pump foaming cleaner, and then we have a aerosol foaming cleaner. We're going to try this manual pump spray on this doorway and stuff, and we've got my grandson with us, my wife with me, and we're going to have these guys help me out. I'll be working the broom, one of them can be working the spray, and the other one's going to get on the water hose. Let's have some fun doing some super clean. Make cleaning fun! We're going to coat this back door with a little bit of super clean here. Spraying the heck out of it. Spray her down, look at that. I'm telling you, look at all that green slime and stuff. It's already trying to eat it off. Would you look at that? That's looking awesome, pretty good already. It is definitely doing it. I've got these 2 little throw rugs here. We're not going to try to clean them. I'm just going to throw them down here on the dirt for now. We'll let that set for a minute. I'm going to hit that with this broom. We're going to work it around a little bit, let it set. Telling you, that vinyl is corroded up. Vinyl door is a mess. Look at that. My goodness. It's cleaning it right up, though. Get another shot there, sweetheart, if you would. Alright. We're going to see what that does. We'll let that set and soak for a minute. We're going to go ahead and see what happens on some of this staircase. You see the staircase, it is black. I mean black, folded, corroded stuff. Let's shoot it. Okay, so on the staircase, we're going to try this vertical surface. We've got this biodegradable detergent cleaner from Super Clean. It's a tough task cleaner and degreaser. We're going to do this right here on these vertical faces to see how that sticks to them. Go ahead, sweetheart. Spray it on there. That vertical surface, please. Okay. Here we go. Let me add to it a little bit. I'm going to add something to it. What's the name? I have shaken this can of foaming cleaner up. And we're going to let that set. We'll be back in about 3 minutes. We're going to let, gosh, you can already see it turning colors. Look at that. It's already turning colors. Would you look at that? That's tough stuff right there. You can tell by our doorway back here, it's cleaning itself up really nicely too. We're going to try this without any scrubbing on the staircase. We're going to turn on the water hose. Grandson, are you ready for this water hose treatment?
Yes.
Okay, let's get it turned on. My God, you can see it's peeling mold and mildew off of the step face. And that's just with this super clean aerosol cleaner. Just one light coat and it's peeling it off. Wow. That door should be ready to spray with some hose here. Grandson, are you ready to hit that door with that hose?
Yeah.
All right, then. Let her rip, tater tip. Oh, wow.
Oh, wow, look at that.
Look at the difference. Oh, my goodness. Wow. You know what that means? That means we're going to have to clean all this stuff now. Thank you, Super Clean. You've made my life simpler. Make cleaning more fun. Make cleaning more think my grandson's trying to flirt me. I'm out of here. Anyways, I've taken the broom to that part of the staircase. Grandson come close to hitting me, but at least he didn't get me. So we're gonna hit that dirt one more time on that face with that water hose. Ready, go! Oh yeah, a little bit of broom action. That might take a couple of shots. Might have to go with the harder cleaner, but it sure is cleaner than what the rest of it is. That's good. Heck yeah. Hey, super clean. Get you some super clean. Makes your cleaning more fun and life a whole lot simpler. It works really good. So, hey, thank you all for watching this video. Demonstration of super clean. See, we went ahead and get the rest of the door. It's actually white. It's not green or black anymore. What do you think about super clean, sweetheart?
I think it works on a lot of things. I can't wait to finish up this back porch cleaning it.
It worked on it. What do you think about that? Knocking that dirt off with that hose.
Really cool.
Super clean works pretty good, don't it? Can you recommend super clean? Good deal, good deal. So it's recommended by us, the Larry's RC room. Go get you some super clean. Clean your house. Make cleaning fun.
Yes.